Collins from ACA Tech Solutions. So today I will show you how you can configure your webmail to be able to send out beautiful, well formatted emails. Okay, so by default, when you want to send out an email, it usually comes as a text email, not HTML email. Now that is totally fine. Okay, however, if you want to have control of how your emails look, then you're welcome to watch this video. Right, so the first thing you do is once you're logged in, go to your settings and then click where it says composing messages. All right, so settings, preferences, then composing message. Now see where it says compose HTML messages. You're probably gonna have something like never, set in place. I'm just gonna demo that for a little bit. So if I have it as never, this is what happens. Let me try composing an email. I will try to write an email. So that's how it displays. Okay. Now this is pure HTML. Okay. Sorry, this is pure text, not HTML at all. It doesn't look very good in terms of appealing to the eyes and stuff like that. Especially if you have a HTML signature like I do. What you can do is if you go to settings and preferences and composing messages, you can then turn on something like always, like turn this thing to always except when replying to a plain text. Now what this does is, if you receive an email from a company or from someone that is just plain text, when you're replying to it, the system, the webmail, will allow you to reply with plain text as well, so that the emails look the same and good. Okay. However, if you receive an email that is already written to you as a HTML email, the system will automatically allow you to reply it in the form of a HTML. Okay, so I'm going to save this and then I will try to compose an email. Now you see the difference. Okay, it gives me a good canvas, well formatted, making it straightforward for me to write my email, make it look as beautiful as I want it. Okay, I have controls. If you've ever used Word document before, you should be like an expert on this already. You can change your font sizes, you can change how you want the text to appear, if you want it bold or not. You can even change your font family. You have absolute control on how you want your email to look. Okay, now this is my preferred way of writing an email, because then it allows me to maybe modify my signature on the go. Okay, I can maybe just change this to maybe Collins right now, and just change anything else I want to change here real quick before sending out this email. All right, if you do have any questions about this, do let us know. We'll be more than happy to support.